Matapos dinumina ang larong MMA, ay tila naghanap pa ng mas challenging na laban itong Pinoy na nakabase na ngayon sa California, ang Southpaw at may tangkad na 5'6" na si Jacob Macalolooy. 2021, pinasok niya ang professional boxing at nakalaban niya ang kapwa kapapasok lang din sa professional boxing na si Andy Lopez. At dito, tinapos ng Pinoy ang laban via 4th round knockout. Sa sumunod na taon, June 2022, ay nakalaban naman niya ang mas matangkad na Amerikano na si Edward Rodriguez. May height ito na 5'9". Pareho sila na may record na 1 win, 0 loss, kaya labanan ng parehong undefeated at ginanap ito sa Pomona sa California. Nakaschedule lang sa 4 na rounds ang bakbakan at sa mismong laban ay agad pinakita ng Pinoy na si Jacob Macalolooy ang galing, lakas at tibay. Southpaw stance si Kabayan pero marunong din itong mag-orthodox stance. Kaya naman, tila nagulat ang mas matangkad na kalaban, nalito sa galawan ni Kabayan. At dahil dito, ilang beses tinatamaan ng solido itong mas matangkad na Amerikano. Bugbog sarado ang inabot sa ating pambato. Tinapos lang ni Kabayan ang laban sa loob lang ng 2 rounds. Walay kalooy itong si Jacob Macalolooy.
Jacob J-Mac Macalolooy.
This welterweight bout. Going down now, the bright lights are on. The stage is set for these two undefeated fighters. 4-round action. Referee in charge of this bout, Rudy Barragan. Both men starting very, very strong, very quick.
Oh, good counter hook there by J-Mac.
Both men, you could tell already.
4-round affair. J-Mac versus Rodriguez, good counter there inside. If he smiles, you see the smile on J-Mac.
Yeah. Rodriguez has got to be careful with that left hook. J-Mac already warned him a couple times. J-Mac looking comfortable in there, having fun.
Oh, good counter.
And that left.
J-Mac.
And this might be it, ladies and gentlemen. Rodriguez able to make it to his feet, a little shaky, trying to buy some time. And let's see if J-Mac
Liked it, man.
That left hook.
Very sneaky left hook and lots of power behind it. Oh, good left right there again.
Heavy punches by J-Mac.
Oh, good 1-2 there by J-Mac. And his hands down, he's very comfortable there, Gio.
Eats a jab there, coming in.
1-0.
And Rodriguez has 40 seconds to make it out of this round. 40 seconds.
It looks like he recovered well, Gio, but you just feel like J-Mac is going to land again something else. And there it is. And he stays up. Good shot there by J-Mac. He's going to try to finish him off. J-Mac just having fun in there.
It might be in this fight. You never know.
Hey.
There goes that left hook once again. That shakes up Rodriguez. He has no answer for that left hook at the moment. He's in a big hole right now. 10-8, that first round. I see the Jabberwocky sponsor on J-Mac's trunks. Are they going to come out if he wins?
Don't be surprised, man. Might do a dragon dance.
You never know what you're going to get. And of course, you see Do that? The half Mexican flag, half USA?
Not in a popular stance. So yeah, Oscar's the one that popularized it.
I'm just saying, if you're wearing those trunks, you better bring it. Lance that straight right.
I gotta say though, Gio, it doesn't matter what shorts you're wearing. It's very hard when you have a dragon in front of you. Oh, good shot inside by J-Mac.
Great combination.
Oh, good.
Started with the jab to the body, ended with a straight upstairs. So far, Edward Rodriguez has no answers. That left hook once again.
Oh, go hook it upstairs once again.
Jacob now fighting out of the southpaw position. Continues to smile at his opponent. Reaching them there, missing.
Counters. So you see him missing that one. That 1-2 misses for Rodriguez. Oh, good counter there by. Remind you of. Oh! A little Mike Tyson there.
Iron Mike.
Yep. Oh, good shots there.
Good shot upstairs there. Like we said, Edward Rodriguez slowing down.
Oh, good shot there by Rodriguez. Oh, and he gets countered and dropped.
And he's going to be saved by the bell, it seems like. And the referee is calling it off, ladies and gentlemen.
Calls a stop to the contest at 2 minutes 59 seconds of the second round for your winner by knockout and still undefeated, Jacob J-Mac Macalolooy.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.